Hey!
So, remember in our last video, we said that we would do 5 facts of Dash's neighborhood, and so that's what we're going to do in this video.
Yep.
The first fact is about the sound, the voice. Dash can hear your voice in real life and in here. So, let's start with the first fact. And I'm going to ask the first fact that he's going to ask the next. So, the first fact is about voice. So it's hard to put your actual voice into the computer. So that's why there is a button at the bottom of the screen that says hear voice. So if you choose when Dash hears voice or repeat until Dash hears voice, you can play the program, and so when it gets to that part, press the button that says hear voice. So Dash hears a voice. There's a person saying it from around the neighborhood somewhere, and he says, "Hey." So I'll show you what it sounds like. It sounds like this.
Hey!
And the person has 3 dots in a speech bubble. Now the next fact is going to be asked by my brother.
So it's also hard to hear his clap.
Yes.
Cause it just won't work.
Yeah.
There's a button same as here, down at here. If you zoom into the full screen, then there is a button over here on the screen.
So the second button on the screen, if you press that, hear that?
That's a clap.
Yes. It's kind of like the person saying hey, but it's like a regular clap from somewhere. So now I'm going to ask the third fact. So Dash, in regular life, he has these sensors that sense obstacles, which is your hand or blocks or anything. But in here, you can't put your hand through the screen. So that's why when you choose one Dash obstacle in front, for the start or control, press and choose obstacle in front. There's going to be a hand that puts his hand in front of Dash, right in front of his sensors. It even works with behind and left and right. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! Now the 4th fact.
Okay, so it's hard to pick him up from the screen. You can't just put your hand through it.
Yeah.
So there is another button down here. It's the same. If you zoom in, it's here. If you zoom out, it's here.
So this is how it looks. So Dash picked up. So the 4th button. See? Did you see that hand? Look. See that hand? It picks him up.
Yeah. Super cool.
Yeah, because the hand actually picks him up. But not by the head. That's a heel break. He picks him up like this. He picks it up and puts it back down. Now, the 5th fact. The 5th fact is about the sound. So it's in regular Blockly. This is how, if you need to record a new sound, this is how it looks. But in this Blockly, this is how it looks. It looks really different. It totally looks different. I mean, there's a huge difference between this and that.
It's way different.
Bye.